So I thought we'd do a bit of a hill climb here. So here's Xander. You can't really see the angle again, but it's super steep. Oh, stuck on the weeds a little bit. Back up. Yeah. There we go. It's pretty steep. It's hard to tell, but it's pretty steep. You can see it goes up. I'm pretty high above Xander here on my platform. No. Oh, here we go. He's going up. Oh, he does a pirouette. Oh, here he comes. Turn around and you're good. Yeah, oh, he's coming back down. He's coming back down hot. Oh, he's coming through the brush. Oh, and he crashes into my shit. Way to go. My stuff. Good job, Xander. Jeez. Jeez. Alrighty, my turn this time.
Oh, it's stuck at the first bump.
Yeah, you passed the first ledge.
Oh, I'm stuck.
No, you're good. It's two-wheel drive, remember. Not a rock crawler.
Wow.
Andrew has not tried this before. I might have done it once. Oh. Oh no.
Oh no.
He's coming. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Nope. Oh. What's that about? Gonna roll it.
Still good. Oh.
Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, big rock.
Oh no.
All the way back down.
Oh, I got hit with a rock there.
Ow.
Ouch.
Oh.
Oh.
No.
Did you tap out?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's a downhill durability test. Alright, go ahead. Come to rocky downhill. See, oh. Oh, watch out, my radio. Things are definitely durable. Definitely recommend them for any children or anybody new to the hobby. We bought them in Canada here for 160 bucks without the charger. Did the upgrade for about 100 bucks, Andrew's being a goof. And or about 120 bucks for the brushless upgrade, and you know, not too much for the axles. Again, they're pretty cheap. And things just go and go and go. Really, the only thing that was hurting them was really cold temperature. That's basically it. It's Xander doing some drifts. Alright, let's do some jumps. Alright, here we go. Xander's gonna jump my truck. Yeah, that was a good one.
You good?
Yep.
Oh no.
Whoops.
That's terrible. Oh. I can't film over there.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Well, losing you. No, you're stuck. I'll get you. Oh, you're good. Just go straight.
Oh, okay, I just gotta see it.
You think so?
Probably not stand.
Oh, did you break it?
Maybe. Yeah.
Oh, did you break an axle? Oh, you broke an axle, everybody. Where'd you break it? Oh, yeah.
I
Oops.
should have brought my spares.
And we didn't bring any spares for Xander. Oh, watch your hand. Yeah, as you can see, it, let's see. Let me see. I don't know, it's hard to tell, but as you can see, the whole outer, or the outer drive shaft has come off the whole drive to the wheel there. So I think the holes have spread out and ripped it completely apart. So
Not surprising.
not surprising. That's happened a few times, so it's kind of expected. Xander's speed control is pretty dialed out, so it's probably making a lot more power than my friggin'.
These are actually warm even.
And yeah, they're even warm, as Xander said. I don't know if you heard him. The motor's probably a little warm.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's the
Thankfully.
common thing to brakes.
Thankfully
Basically.
you can get the outer shaft.
Yeah, you can buy all the parts pretty cheap, pretty easy, pretty quickly. There's a nice hobby store in town. Unfortunately, they're closed today because of the civic holiday. But yeah, so there's a little carnage. They're not all perfect, but that's basically all that you should expect from having a brushless swapped Torment. So
Yeah, and the Traxxas axles are not a complete fix.
no,
If you drive crazy.
yeah, if you're still bashing, they're gonna break still. So
Yeah.
but
if you guys know of an actual fix that won't break, we'd love to know.
yeah,
Sure.
post it down below in the comments or whatever, and hopefully you enjoyed our video. Hopefully you enjoyed our bashing and Xander's braking, and hopefully you guys have your Torment of your own, or maybe this helps you decide to get one. As we said, they're quite durable. It's gone through a good bit of abuse. As you can see, it's all scratched up and brutalized. There's a good gouge out of the front bumper there, but thing still works good.
Yeah, I've gone through maybe 8 sets of tires.
Yeah, tons of tires, tons of stuff that we've went through. We've used and abused these pretty good, so it's been fun.
We are aware those are for high speed,
Yeah.
not for bashing.
Yeah, they're not
we
the
got
proper
them for
battery,
free.
but yeah, we got them pretty cheap. So our buddy painted them up, and so pretty good. So hopefully you enjoyed our video, and if you want to see more Torment videos and stuff, and got some RC airplanes as well, we're gonna make some videos of. Like and comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Oops.
stock tires definitely don't have good grip off-road. Should
stock bald tires.
yeah, bald ones especially. They're not terrible, but they wear down to where it's like you're only running on just a bald patch.
Yeah, other side's a little better, but still brutal. So
yeah,
bear with me here. Xander's tires have been better than mine, or are better, a hell of a lot better.